Hi friends, I'm Madhu Bagri, a para-athlete. I often travel alone for my sporting events and otherwise also. So the challenge that I face, despite of taking a wheelchair-friendly room in any hotels, is the way the washrooms are set up. See, if you see the washroom, there are bars and everything, but when it gets to the bathing stool, if you see, is like this. Okay, now I hope you understand that as a person who cannot stand at all, cannot sit on this narrow stool, take a shower, pull the what do you say, the hand shower, and take the gel and everything on this particular stool. So what solution I have found is I had asked them to give me a little strong non-skiddable chair which they gave me, made of iron and rexine. Now rexine is slippery, so what I did is I placed this and I put all 2 to 3 like doormat or towels, basically hand towels, and adjusted the space nearer to it, so I can use on the tap and use the hand shower accordingly. I hope this works for all of you. Those who find the similar problems, and especially when you're traveling alone, you have to be more confident with yourself doing all such activities. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.